Alright, this is Solona, I guess that's how you pronounce it, 50cc scooter. Everybody wants to know the top speed of these things, and I'll go ahead and tell you, it's not much. There he is, Solona 50. The big R in the revolution stands for really slow. I got this thing off the Copart auction. I don't know if anyone knows that, but Copart's where if you wreck them, car, truck, bike, the insurance company puts the total vehicle up for sale and you can bid on them. So I won this scooter for $60 on the auction. And thing with Copart is all the fees. By the time I went and picked it up, my $60 bid had turned up over $200 in fees, so it's $260 total. There's some of my good repairs right there. Would I buy one of these new, brand new? They're $1,000, and I'd say no, because they just fall apart. All the plastics are brittle. This thing is only a couple years old, and they're not worth anything unless you live in a subdivision or you need to go less than 30 miles an hour. I think 35 is top speed downhill. But we'll ride this thing and see how fast she'll go. What's up, all my digital friends out there in YouTube land? Here we are on that little 50cc, and don't be fooled by the speedometer. The big numbers you see on the outside are kilometers an hour, which us Americans don't give a damn about. The little numbers down below is miles. So if you look now, we're doing about, according to this, almost 40 miles an hour. That's wrong. That speedometer is about 10 miles an hour off. So we ain't gonna go far on this. This is my little dead-end road area I like to play on because there's not much traffic. And it's near my house, so, but look at this. I mean, I'm wide ass open right now, and it's barely moving. Now going down a hill, they'll pick up some speed. Like I said, we ain't gonna go far. The only good thing about these little jokers is 50cc in the state of Georgia. You do not need insurance or a license plate. Valid driver's license you do need, which I think is sitting at home. Great. But yeah, there's a friendly policeman right there. But yeah. So, hell, I think this thing's slower than it used to be. I've gained some weight, one or the other. But here we go. And everybody makes fun of you on it. That is freaking awesome. But this is all she'll do right here, wide open. So that's about 30 miles an hour with my fat butt on here. Cooler weather does do better. When we was at Barber, we used this to go to the showers for small bore, and yeah, it did alright. My mirror's all dicked up. I'm gonna wreck just my mirror. Alright, so I'm gonna cut in this subdivision here and probably just do a U-turn because this son of a bitch is too slow. See, I bought this thing for my wife to maybe get into motorcycling. Yeah, that didn't last long. So she's rode it a few times. My son rode it a bunch. I've rode it a little bit. But yeah, it's just damn useless. I should just go ahead and sell the damn thing. The only thing it is good for is the running to the showers at events and stuff, because it's got good headlights, unlike anything else I own. You know, a little pit bike, I guess, but yeah. $35's about all you're gonna get out of it. Ah, great, somebody's behind me. I love that when somebody's behind me on this, because I don't want to get shot. We'll turn it off at this next road and maybe get away from them. This thing does have good turn signals and brakes, brake lights. But yeah. Hey, turn signal's on. And I'll probably get hit. I don't even want to look in the mirror. Yeah, so yeah, here's this little dead-end road I like riding now. I'm sure everybody loves me on this road. But that's it, right there. That's 30. Reading 40, it's really 30. And a little over, so yeah. Alright, we'll see y'all next time.